Okay.
Hello everyone, karibuni tena to another edition of Lolwe TV Fitness, here on Lolwe TV, of course, with your crew here from Elixir Wellness, yes, elixirwellnesskenya.com. You can catch us on the socials at Lolwe TV on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. That's the one. Poleni sana, I'm a bit old. Right guys, today, just like the other day, so for this week we are going to be doing a deck of cards workout, and for those who were not here last time, we have a deck of cards. You shuffle the deck of cards, yes, and you make 4 workouts. So you choose. Today we're going to have mountain climbers, plank leg raise. We will demonstrate this. We will have a downward dog, and we will have a reverse crunch. I will demonstrate all this as we go. So as I pick, so this will be a 2 of diamonds, for example, so it will be 2 mountain climbers, yes, but I will tell you this as we go along. Yes, our team today, Afrofab and Benja, strength and conditioning coach, karibuni sana. And guys, without further ado, sit warm up kidogo, remember, if you have any injuries, take this at your own pace. For those with ankle or knee injuries, Afrofab has an ankle injury today, so please follow her lead. Apple. So today we are starting with 2 of diamonds, which is what? 2 mountain climbers. Let's go. So with mountain climbers, remember, you go into plank, and what we are trying to do, or what we are doing, is bring your knee in. Yes, so it's just 1 and 2. And that is then followed by 9 of spades, which is 9 downward dogs, and let's go. Remember, with the downward dog, we're coming here into plank and creating that hinge. Watch my back. It's all in line. I am moving as 1. Guys, remember, we are doing 9. Take this at your own pace. If you only manage 3 or 4 or 5, if you can't get to 9 this time, remember that as we go along, utashika tu mita, pole pole, sindio? And then let's go, 10 mountain climbers, please. Mayo. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And another 10, please. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now we've got plank with a leg raise, and we've got 9 of these, please. Yes? So let's go here, and what we're doing is we're maintaining that plank position. You can get your legs wider, so we're doing 10. So 5 on each side, yes? You can either do all 5, or you can do alternate, yes? And we're going for 10. You can go higher as long as your hips don't sway, yes? You keep it balanced, yes? So now we've got 7 of diamonds, which is 8 mountain climbers. Let's go. Let's go. 8. 7, 8. And then we've got 10 of clubs. So 10 reverse crunches. Remember that when we do the reverse crunch, we are not going up here like some of us used to do in boarding school or in high school. We are literally bringing our feet from the ground and using these lower abdominal muscles to push up. If you cannot yet get your feet, so let's go for 10, guys. If you cannot yet get your hips off the ground, then let us start with just going alternate leg raises, yes? If this is challenging, resist the urge to do that, right? So now we've got 3 of hearts, which is plank leg raises. Let's go for 4, yes? Let's go, guys. We're nearly at a break. Remember, the joker is a break. Let's go. I bet you've never been so pleased to see a joker in your life. Let's go. 4. Remember, we're not tilting. It's here. Even if all you can do is a small raise, start there. Just being here is a win. So we've got 4 spades. Spades of downward dogs. 4 downward dogs, please. Followed by 5 reverse crunches. Let's go. Remember, bringing onto your toes, onto your heels, onto your toes, moving towards your heels. Your heels might not touch the ground, but that's the movement we're looking for. Your head, neck, and back are all in line. We're going for 5 there, and then we've got 10 diamonds, which is 10 mountain climbers. Poleni sana my team. Tuko karibu na break. 10 mountain climbers, guys. I know this feels like it's burning right now. I know it's not easy. I know, but keep with it. Let's go. 8, 9, 10. And then we've got 10 hearts, yes, which is plank leg raises for 10, yes? So again, remember you can do alternate, making sure that your hips remain stable. We're not swaying here. You can do 5 on one side and then 5 on the other side. And we rest. Remember, it's an active rest. So what are we doing? We're taking water and we're walking it out. Yes, let's go team, let's go. Msichoke. Ama Wakenya wanasema nini? Muskonde. Uskonde. Let's go. Yeah. Afrofa, what are we doing? Bring it in. Right, guys. We're going to rest here for half a minute. Take in fluids if you need to. Usually by this point, you probably need it. And remember, hydration is so important for so many things. For recovery, to keep your muscles working properly, to avoid having cramp in those muscles. So let's really keep ourselves hydrated all through the day, minimum 2 liters. And if you're going to be joining this class, we're going to be having how many? 3 liters a day, yes? Get yourself a kachupa, fill it however many times it takes to take to 3, yes? Now feel free to kunywa zaidi. Coffee is not a substitute for water. Yeah, it's a diuretic. It takes water out of your system. Right, we're going for 5 diamonds. That means 6 mountain climbers, please. Let's go, guys. 20, iko nini? 4, 5, 6. And then we've got 10 spades, which is what? 10 downward dogs. We're nearly done with these downward dogs, guys. I promise you. Back into plank, remembering here, everything is stacked. Wrist, elbow, shoulder, yes? Together, stacked. Back to that plank. And back to that plank. Yes? And we're going for 10. Remember, we're back in plank and back out. Heels towards the ground. Yes? Aya, twende hapo kwenye diamonds. Hapo ni mountain climbers wase. Na ni 8 plus 9, which is 17, which means 18 mountain climbers must do it. Twende, let's go. I know it's hard. I know it's burning. But you've got this. Let's go. Let's go. Remember, keep that plank position. Yes? Hapo hivyo. Tuko kwenye clubs. Reverse crunches. Yes? And then we're back to spades. Sorry. Let's go. So with the reverse crunch, remember, you're raising your feet off the ground, and what we're doing is we're pushing our legs up by lifting the bottom, yes? So engaging these lower abdominal muscles, yes? So we're pushing up, and if that is hard, then what you want to do is lower one leg, bring the other one back, lower, come up, lower. If you can, both legs. If you're a bit more advanced than the single ones, come down and up, and eventually you'll be able to do that. Yes? Resist the urge to go up there. That is not what we're doing, because then you don't engage the lower abdominal muscles. Yes? So now we've got 10 and 8 spades, which is, sorry guys, 18 downward dogs. Let's go. Guys, remember, this is at your own pace, yes? If you can't get to 18, get to where you can, and eventually you will pick it up, yes? Let's go. Push. Back and plank and out. Back and out. Remember, resist the urge to do that. It's very intentional movements. Intentionally come back into plank and go out. And back in and out. Yes? Remember, back into plank, heel to the ground. Toes, heel to the ground. Head, neck, back, all in line. A hinge is created at your hip joint. Yes? Let's go. Tumemaliza. Aya, hapo kwenye heart basi, hapo kwenye heart. We've got 7 plus 2 leg raises. I bet you can't wait for that joker to come now. Yes?
I'll be very nice.
Heart. Plank leg raises. Oh, sorry. Sorry, guys. I'm confusing you. Thank you, Benja. So remember, with a plank, you can either do the plank down here, or you can do a full plank. I prefer to do a full plank. It's harder, which means more gains. Right, guys? Let's go. They accuse me of liking to train my shoulders, but who am I? I like to accentuate. Right, let's go. We've got 10. Let's go. You can do 5 on one side and 5 on the other, or you can do alternate. Yes? And now we've got 6 of clubs, which is reverse crunches. That's where I was heading. I was way ahead of myself. Let's go. Remember, again, we're here and we're raising up. Lift your bottom off the ground and not that. Yes? Lift. If that is difficult, remember, we're going down one leg and the other one down and back. And once this becomes easier, bring both feet down and back up. Remember, if you've got lower back issues, either put a small towel here on your bottom, under your bottom, and just, or your hands to anchor your lower back. Yes? Aya, hapo kwenye spades times 5, and then 6. Sorry, guys. I am so sorry. I promise you. The producer shuffles these things. Next time, I promise I will shuffle. Let's go. The producer is fired. Aya, twende. Hapo kwenye 5 plus 6. Quick maths. 11. Remember, heel, toe, plank, heel, toe, plank, heel. Right. Remember, resist the urge of moving too quickly. Especially here at plank, if you can pose, pose. Yes? Get to 11. And then we've got hearts times 10. So we've got plank leg raises. Let's do them. You can either do alternate raises or you can do 5 on one side and 5 on the other. Yes? Let's go. Five, remember, let's not sway the hip. The hip remains stable. Yes? Balance. And rest. Grab your water, guys. Grab your water. There we go. And as we rest, remember, it's an active rest. Have some water. Afrofab. Hapa tunaendaje? She's the dancer. Yeah? Hiyo ni hard. I'm just going to march it out. Guys, remember, this workout is very high intensity, and if you feel like keeping up is a bit of a challenge right now, really take it easy. All of these workouts here at Lolwe Fitness TV or Lolwe TV Fitness, in fact, are built to get you progressing. Yes, so there will be a progression for everyone. If you need to go harder, we will show you how to go harder. If you need to go slower or softer, we'll show you how to go it. But every time you come here, you will, I promise you, progress. So come as many times as you can in the week. You will be told when all these programs are, so join us every week. Alafu sasa, si tunarudi tu. Yeah? Guys, let's go. Hapo kwenye clubs, reverse crunches times 10, let's go. Reverse crunches times 10. No shoulders, Benja, no shoulders. I bet Benja is happy about this. Let's go, guys. Remember, we're raising our hips off the ground, yes? If this is difficult again, remember, we bring it down and up and out and up. And over 10. I'm watching you. Or indeed, bring both feet down and back up. And if you've got lower back issues again, put a small towel under your bottom or place your hands under your bottom and then bring those legs down and back up, yes? Good. So now we've got spades, downward dog, times 3, please. We've done all the big downward dogs, I believe. Right, let's go. Spades. And then we've got clubs, which is reverse crunches. For 10, please. Let's go. Again, guys, remember, you can either go down, back up, down. Protect that lower back because we don't want to make any injuries worse. So protect your lower back by putting a towel underneath or indeed placing your hands underneath, yes? So let's go for 10. Let's go, guys. Those hands of yours, those legs of yours, keep them here, up, there, yes? Push, push, guys. I know it's getting hard, yes? For 10. And then we've got 10 downward dogs. I know this is the last 10 of downward dogs, I hope. Guys, I know. It's not easy, it's high intensity stuff. Take it at your own pace. If all you can do is 3 or 4 or 5, we're glad you're here, and just being here is a win. Remember that, yes? So we've got spades, 10 times downward dogs. Let's go. Remember, plank, heel, toe, plank, heel. Keeping that body in that straight position, yes? Good stuff. And push out. We've got 10. 4 more, let's go. Remember, it's deliberate, slow, deliberate movements, yes? And then we've got 8 hot, which is a plank leg raise, yes? So remember here, you can either do a plank here and raise or do a full plank and raise. And we've got 8. Let's go. So you can do 4 on one side, 4 on the other, or alternate 8, yes? I prefer to do 8 in one. Remember, maintain plank position and resist the urge to twist. Keep it straight, yes? 4 and 4, yes? Let's go. We've got clubs. 9 reverse crunches plus 4 reverse crunches. How many is that? 13 plus 8. Remember, guys, what we're doing is, if you can't do a reverse crunch yet, we're bringing the leg down, back up, down, back up, or both together, but remembering to protect your lower back if you've got issues with that lower back, yes? So let's go. 4. Afro, even though Memua, very good. Keep going, guys. Let's go. I know it's not easy, but really those people who are always asking, how do I tone my muscles in my lower abdomen? Let's go. Yes, raise, raise, bottom off the ground. Yes, 20, 5 more, 2, 1, and rest. Joka bado. Hapa hivi tuko kwenye hat. Producer, Mr. Producer. I think Mr. Producer rigged this thing. Let's go. So we've got 4 times hearts. Yes. Plank leg raises. Yes. We've got 4 plus 10. Yes. Let's go. How many is that? 14. So 7 on one side, 7 on the other. Guys, I know now it's getting really hard. Yes. But keep your composure. Don't be. Yeah? I know it's hard. It's hard for me too. I'm trained to make it look easy. I promise you I'll be hurting later, just like everyone else. And remember, if it hurts, it's not necessarily a bad thing, yes? And remember that you can always ask us questions. Hashtag Elixir Wellness Kenya, hashtag Lolwe TV Fitness, yes? Use that hashtag to ask us questions, to get in touch with us. Yes, we've got 2 of spades, 2 times downward dog, and then we've got hearts. So leg raises again, yes? Let's go here. And then I promise you, the joker is not far away. We producer, kuna venye, we'll have a word later, sindio? Right, so we've got 10 of hearts, which is leg raises. Going to plank, Fabi. Very good. Lower, bring that bottom lower, and resist the urge to twist. Here, there. Feel it in your glutes. Yes? There. Yes. Yes? And then we've got 3 clubs, which is reverse crunches, and then it's a rest. Let's go, guys. 3 clubs. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Grab your water, guys. Grab your water. And remember, come on. Do you need a hand? Coach Benja? You don't need a hand? Right, guys. Come on, walk it out. Walk it out. Walk it out. Remember, as we finish this, don't forget your stretches. Stretch for about 10-15 minutes. Yes. If you need stretches, keep an eye out on this channel, and we will be adding on stretches on the socials. Yes. YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. I'm not sure about adding stuff on Twitter like exercises, but yeah, where we can, we'll give you stuff. And don't forget, use the hashtag Lolwe TV Fitness, Elixir Wellness Kenya. Haya, si tumemaliza wase? Yes? Karibuni tena, and thank you for joining us today.
Okay.